I want to explain veganism.
Yeah, I love cheese.
It's about deciding, right? Yeah. How do you feel about humans exploiting animals? Terrible?
They cut chickens, right?
Yeah, they kill chicken, they kill pigs, they kill cows.
Specific company or all
No,
of them in general?
We are showing in general how animals are viewed from human perspective. Would you say animals should be respected?
Yes. Animals are not respected.
Yeah, but would you say they should be respected? Yeah.
Yeah.
But can you truly respect animals if you still exploit them for their milk, eggs, and milk?
Like eating.
Yeah, if you eat them, is that respect?
Yeah, no. I very terrible. But
Yeah.
maybe it could be a better way.
Okay.
I don't know, but not like that. But
But if you were in the position of the animal,
yeah.
if you were a cow or a chicken, would you want to be killed in a different way, or would you want to be free?
No, I don't want. I wouldn't have to be killed.
Yeah, you wouldn't want to be killed. You would just want it to be free. Like these cows, this was a mother. She had a child. The child was taken away because they wanted to steal her milk. Right? So basically the human says, you are my property. I'm using you, I'm taking away your children, taking away your milk, I'm taking away your eggs.
Can I take video?
Yeah, and if I don't need you anymore, I'm going to kill you. That can never be respect, right? Do you?
But being vegetarian is difficult too.
Yeah, but do you know the definition of veganism?
Yeah, it's different. I know.
Yeah.
We can still eat fish, but they also show fish now.
Yeah.
So fish is not okay too.
Yeah, I want to explain veganism.
Yeah.
So veganism is not vegetarian. Veganism is not a diet. Veganism is living without exploiting animals, without using animals. Yeah? Without having animals as slaves.
How
And
can it be possible?
yeah, wait a second. So vegans do not buy meat, milk, eggs. We do not buy cheese. We do not buy leather and fur. And we do not go into zoos and circuses.
Yeah.
Because in every cases, animals are
Yeah.
made into products.
Yeah.
And the alternative is easy. You got a smartphone. If you type in vegan recipes, vegan alternatives, vegan options, you will find what you need, right? You have Google and ChatGPT.
Yeah, I know, like tofu.
Yeah.
Some other.
I mean, if you buy tofu, you probably won't like it because it doesn't taste like anything. But if you search for the best tofu recipes, you will probably find a way to make it taste good, right? It's all about
Can be better when you cook differently.
yeah. So
How about cheese?
Huh?
I love cheese.
yeah, but do you like the fact that for cheese a mother is being killed and the babies are taken away from her?
I don't like it.
Yeah, do you miss the cheese more than a mother misses her child? No. So for you it is easy to find an option.
But also, yeah, I don't want to say this, but if they are not killed
Yeah.
by humans, they kill each other also. I mean, like.
Yeah, we're talking about cows, chicken, and pigs. They are the most gentle and
But-
peaceful animals on this planet.
But if they live in the nature, like if they live in near forest or near some other wild,
Okay.
animal
Yeah.
can attack them also.
Yeah, but that's not your responsibility anymore. Your responsibility here is now if you want to put them into this position. Do you want animals to be bred into life only to be a slave and to be killed? No. And if you don't want that, the only option is to live vegan. Otherwise, that would be hypocritical, right? So,
right.
so do you feel anything is stopping you from living vegan now? No?
When you watch it, yeah.
Yeah. The reality is very easy to understand. If you don't like this, you shouldn't be a part of it anymore. So, considering you would be there in this cage, put yourself into their perspective. how fast would you want this injustice to end?
I would try, but I think it's not possible to convince everyone.
Yeah, but right now I'm talking to you.
Yeah, yeah.
And if you were there in this position, how fast would you want to be free? Not tomorrow, not in 2 years, now, right?
Yeah.
So how many animals have to be exploited for you from now on? Should it be 0 or more?
0.
That means to live vegan now. You gonna do that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes?
Yeah.
Handshake on that?
But vegan and vegetarian different, right?
I explained to you the difference. Veganism is not exploiting animals for any purpose, not only for food, but also for clothing, for entertainment, and also animal testing when you buy, for example, shampoo or stuff.
Try that.
Yeah, and that is the last point I want to tell you. If you are now here in my cage, like the animal, I'm holding a knife on your throat. Do you now want me to try to put the knife away? Or to decide and leave you alone? It's about deciding, right?
Yeah.
And you got a smartphone. So if you want to cook something vegan tomorrow, will you find a recipe? Yeah? So if there's a will, there's a way.
Yeah, there is a way.
So, vegan now?
Yeah.
Handshake on that? Strong. And one last point, I want to give you the card. You can check it out at home, or if you got internet. One last question. Would you agree that we as vegans should defend animals actively?
Yeah.
How can you do this from now on?
Sharing,
Yeah.
explaining.
Yeah. If you got 10 minutes, you can also stand there with us, hold the screen for 10 minutes and with a mask to stand for the animals.
Yeah, but I will take a video and
No,
share
you will share. Okay. Yeah, it's also okay. Then also find an option there and find a way to get active. Yeah. Thank you.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Aicha.
Aisha. Oliver.
Thank you.
Very nice to meet you. Have a nice weekend day.